Okay, me and my group, we decided to show you guys how to do an if-then on NetLogo, which is basically saying that if this happens, then that will happen. And for our world, we did 4 different quadrants with 4 different colors, because if you use the same color, it just confuses people at times. And then for our turtle shape, we did a butterfly. And for our process, we wanted to show you guys that if a butterfly hits one coordinate, it's going to change either speed, size, or color. And this is our actual code. We made turtle's own speed. And for the beginning, to set it all up, we asked Patches with the position that we have here, which is quadrant 1. Its PC color is 125. So this is basically like we're setting up its position where it's going to go in its color. And then we created our turtles. We created 10 because we didn't want to do that much turtles. And we set its size to 5. We set its color to 0, which is black. Shape butterfly, and we set its at XY to random because we don't want it to go in just one straight line. We want it to go everywhere, so it hits like every quadrant. And we set its speed to 1. This is like the actual coding for the if-then process. So you put to go, which is like the action you want the turtles to do, and you ask the turtles, which in our case is a butterfly, that if its PC color equals 134, which is quadrant 4, and its speed is greater than 0, then when that turtle hits that quadrant, its speed is going to decrease by 0.2. And if its PC color equals 125, which is quadrant 1, it's going to increase by 0.1 its speed as soon as that butterfly hits that quadrant. And if its PC color equals 135, which is quadrant 2, then as soon as that butterfly hits that quadrant, its size is going to increase by 0.1. And finally, if PC color equals 124, which is quadrant 3, then when that butterfly hits that quadrant, it's going to change color, and you put plus white. But the cool thing about NetLogo is that it not only changes the color to like just white, as soon as it hits that quadrant, it's going to change to like a bunch of other different colors, which is like pretty cool. And then we did its speed, we set its speed forward, and we put weight 0.1. And this is like the actual process it does. So as you can see, when it hits quadrant 1, it kind of increases its speed. And then when it hits quadrant 2, it gets bigger, so it increases in size. In quadrant 3, it changes color. And as you can see, it like changes not only to white, but it changes like to a lot of other different colors. And then when it hits quadrant 4, it's going to like decrease. That's why they're like going slower. And this is just basically what we did to show you guys how to do like if then. So if this happens, then this will happen. So yeah, I hope it helped you guys a lot.